Good morning, friends. This is Kiran Sir's voice. Welcome to online classes, and we are discussing the same lesson, the silver lining. In last videos, we discussed about that Mr. David, Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari giving the information and giving the envelope to the David. After that, Mr. David want to meet that child Pramodni. So he went to meet the Pramodni. Before that, Mr. and Mr. Bhandari feel embarrassment, and actually he and she given the explanation about the Mr. David. He how rude he is. इतना बताने के बावजूद भी कितना रूड है वो कि उसको प्रमोदिनी को मिलने जा रहा है. ही वॉज नॉट लिसनिंग टू अस. सो till child, parents and the child, till here we completed in a next video. Now see, students, see page number 33. We are discussing the further paragraph. The scene that comforted us was something we least expected. Comforted means oppose, and least means this is the result. So Chaman Nehal describes here, we giving the information to the Mr. David. After that he want to meet that. So this is the condition become a chaos, and this is the one conflicted. This is the opposite situation, and when we are expected from that Pramodini, and this is the opposite happened here. The strange young man was reclining on the grassy ground. Reclining, this is the position of sitting on the ground, and Pramodini was sitting on his lap. He was showing her the flowers. So here Pramodini want to meet Mr. David also, because when he meeting with the Mr. David, he talk to the others. See again, the strange young man was reclining on the grassy ground. वो वहाँ पर जाके प्रमोदिनी के पास जाकर बैठ गया, and Pramodini was sitting on his lap. प्रमोदिनी उसके लैप पर बैठ गई. He was showing her the flowers, and actually here are the two person discussing to each other. So when the anyone sitting on the lap, so that's why this is the portion show that they know very well to each other. So this is the meaning from that. And suddenly, like the sound of gun exploding, the thrill animal like laughter of Pramodini pierced the air. Pierce means cut karna. So actually when they talking to each other, giving and taking the thoughts to each other, after that Pramodini laughed soundly, more soundly. वो इतने ज़ोर से हंसने लगी कि आजू बाजू के सब लोगों को उसकी हंसी सुनाई दी. The parents look at each other with wonder and amazement. So after laughing the Pramodini, the parents look to each other with wonder and amazement. ऐसा कैसे जादू हुआ कि प्रमोदिनी हंस रही है? So that's why they become amazement. Our daughter has not laughed like this for years, Mrs. Bhandari said. What said Mrs. Bhandari? कि इतने सालों तक हमारी बच्ची इतने ज़ोर से कभी हंसी नहीं. What happened there? What happened to Mr. David? So यहाँ पर प्रमोदिनी हंसने लगी. So that's why Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari become shocked, curious. We watched the two of them who were now talking toward us hand in hand. So Chaman Nehal express here कि Pramodini and Mr. David came to the near with talking to each other and walking toward us hand in hand. हाथ में हाथ डालकर वो दोनों बातें करते हुए इनकी तरफ आ रहे थे. There are three persons standing: Mr. Bhandari, Mrs. Bhandari, and Chaman Nehal, narrator. Pramodini ran to her mother and danced about her विथ जॉय। प्रमोदिनी हंसते हंसते अपने मम्मी के पास आ गई, डांस करते हुए अपने मम्मी के पास आ गई विथ अ वंडरफुल जॉय। सी मेड हर क्लियर साउंड ऑफ मामा मामा। सो उसका साउंड भी जो मम्मा मम्मा बोल रही थी वो साउंड भी अब क्लियर लगने लगा था। एंड वाइडली पॉइंटेड टू द यंग मैन। सो प्रमोदिनी saying mama mama, and actually he noticed, he pointed to the young man, this is the David। मामा मामा कह रही थी और एक्चुअली ही वांट टू पॉइंटेड द यंग मैन, वो मिस्टर डेविड की तरफ उंगली बताकर मामा मामा करके वो बोल रही थी। इट वॉज मिस्टर डेविड हु केम टू अवर सेक्योर, sorry, it was Mr. David who came to our rescue। We soon realized that he was deaf and dumb too। So this is the one chaos condition in front of the Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari, because in this so many years Pramodini not laughing like this। After going Mr. David there and they talking to each other, coming toward the parents, and Pramodini saying mama mama and pointed to the finger toward the Mr. David। So that's why this is the great situation and this is the happiness to the Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari। See here in this picture also we understand that this is the Mr. David, this is Pramodini, this is Chaman Nayal, and this is Mr. Bhandari and Mrs. Bhandari surprisingly seeing toward the Mr. David and Pramodini, and they are coming from the garden toward the parents and Mr. Chaman Nayal। So that's why it was Mr. David who came to our rescue। रेस्क्यू करने के लिए डेविड यहाँ पर आया हुआ है। एंड वी सून रियलाइज दैट, हम जल्दी से पहचान गए हैं, जल्दी से जान गए व्हाट, दैट ही वाज डेफ एंड डम्ब टू। एक्चुअली मिस्टर डेविड भी डेफ और डम्ब थे। Okay students, this is the very interesting story, but we have to stop here। So thank you and have a nice day।